today I'm gonna be doing a review on this hair that I have in. This hair is these Brazilian loose wave. I really like it. So I decided to order some new hair when I kind of figured out that Trey accidentally threw away my favorite wig. And I was searching through Instagram and this company came up. The name of the company is Hairinbeauty, like hair in like Hairin beauty. The hair came really fast. It took probably about 3 days. I think it's 10 closure, 12, 14, and then a 16 inch bundle. And the 16 is it's a good length. Well, I made it into a wig. I double tracked all of the bundles. I got all of it in, but like literally like this much of the shorter length. It did come with the closure. This is the closure. I did not bleach the closure or pluck the closure. I literally just put some foundation on it. You can part it different ways. This is a free part closure, so let me show you. So the closure goes from, it starts right here and then right here. So you get like a pretty wide closure. And you can part it pretty much anywhere. On this side, so this is the free part closure. As you can see, it lays nice and flat, like really flat over my locks. It has a little bit of tangle going on with it in the back, but it's not too much tangle. It's not too much tangling. I'm not getting much shedding either, so that's pretty good. So for this hair, this is Brazilian loose wave. I paid let me go to my account. I paid $68.95 for 3 bundles and a closure. It has a really nice wave. It's in between curly and straight. The hair is soft. The hair is really soft. I'm not getting any shedding. The bundles that they send you are like really nice and thick, so you're definitely gonna have enough hair. The only thing that concerns me like a little bit is in the back right here. I get like a little bit of, see, like maybe I just need to brush it. Maybe I just need to detangle it because I haven't detangled it in a while. I just hung it up on my door and just throw it on, you know. But the only thing concerns me is like the little bit of snags that I get in the back. But other than that, this hair is bomb. And really, I think the snags, if I just wet it and detangle it really nice, the snags will go away. I haven't really been detangling it. I just spray water on it and go. So it's probably time for a good detangle. These lashes also came with the hair. I like to wear the lashes they send me when I do the review on the hair. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys later, and thank you so much for watching my channel.